Had to make this the first stop. Deere booth. You guys know we got the 200D. Deere rolled out all new actual Deere machines this year. Pretty impressive first go around.
It's pretty sweet color change.
230. This is definitely the size we'd be looking at.
All your, like you probably, I don't know how many different attachments you guys run. You know, like today you've got to get the dealer out with the service tool to set all that stuff up. Well, now it's just all through there. All right here. You can set up whatever you want, set your flow rates.
Gotcha.
We've got an option for combined flow if you get the aux package, so it'll automatically merge flow from the two pumps into one for higher flow rate stuff.
Has it got an individual pump for the tracking?
The way it's
a three pump?
It's a two pump.
Two pump.
Yeah.
Little remote operating. So it's just training software, or is it? This isn't.
It's training, and we have like a whole. You kind of go through a gauntlet on every piece of equipment. We have like 30 pieces of equipment that you can put on the simulator, and you put every single one on one piece.
But this isn't. This isn't the.
This is one. I believe.
Does it integrate with automation where you can?
In terms of like
put it on a machine and then run it from a.
No, not to.
I know they have that
not
too.
To my understanding, but basically it's kind of like if you don't want to put people on the real equipment to start off with, it's a really good way to break the ice.
Sure.
And then they go on the real equipment and they kind of come back and refine things like that.
This is more based for training new operators to be field ready.
Yeah.
You can even load all your own job sites off of Tremble. We have one Tremble GPS, real auto, so you can upload your job file and run it as many times in simulation as you want to do. It's affecting where you put all your soil on your job site.
Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to reach it.
Restart you. You honked over there by him. There you go.
The depth perception is just a tad bit off, but.
I don't think he's doing the competition right now, no.
Wednesday and Thursday is the competition.
Wednesday and Thursday.
We've got watches and all kinds of prizes.
So can I put one just in my living room too to work when I'm not working?
Mine's in my garage.
Yeah.
We have the big one, but we also have like a portable one as well. You can hook it up to a desktop and it's got the joystick.
It's pretty cool.
This is like the Cadillac. This is the big 5-screen big boy.
And I'm gonna grab a bucket. And all you did was you honked over here. So I want him over here and then the white bucket. And this is your view, so like screen splits are in a bad spot, I can move all that down. The truck's gonna be like right here in front of you. Touch it in the center and when you let go and stay.
There you go.
And then what we're trying to do is go to 80%. Red is the truck. So once you fill it to 80%, beep beep, 2 honks, and the truck will go away and we'll see how fast you move.
Does it calculate your spill too?
Everything. It knows weight.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Spill off quantity, fuel that's burned, bucket angles. Everything is calculated.
Does it feel real?
No.
So this is something we are really interested in. CHCNA nav. China company. It's very, very affordable. GPS for your excavators, dozers, basin rover setup. Mounts up to virtually any machine. Something we'll be looking for. First thoughts, the 285? It's huge. I bet they ride so stinking nice. Oh, for doing boulder walls. Boulder walls or bin block retaining walls, which we do some of. This would be sweet. Eskim's right next to you. These are cool. Some off-road dump trucks that rotate. Those are so cool. You guys know we do a lot of mulching. One of these would be nice. Or one of those. There's a mulcher. Okay, so if you guys have never been here, the convention center is actually really spread out. So there's a bunch of different grounds, different halls with a bunch of different stuff. So I don't know, we probably got 20,000 steps in and it's 1 o'clock. But this is probably the most exciting grounds that we're getting to. The outdoor where all the big stuff is. So I'll walk you through and show you the stuff that's going on here. I know Volvo's got a huge booth. Cat's got a big booth. And there's a lot of cranes. So
libre al suelo hacia el borde de la cuchilla de
Volvo 230. Here's a machine that we would definitely be interested in as well in the future. The exact size that we need. Evan's gonna try the electric 230 with grade control.
And also you can, when you while the charging, like you can see 25% charging, in the middle 50, 75.
Oh, the light shows it. Nice. That's funny.
So we got half of the answer. Yes. So the first iteration was about 10.
So he's saying it's got the grade control on.
Quiet.
Yeah.
No engine.
What do you think?
It's cool. The grade control's pretty wild.
Just keeps it right there. You just pull in on the stick, or do you have to push down on it?
Slow at first because I was like, I thought it was just gonna fly in, you know. But no, it's all control speed. You just pull it in. It's just.
Oh, it controls the speed as well. That's nice. 60-ton haul truck. That's big. That's a big unit. There's a 210. Very similar size machine that we'd be interested in. Cat knows how to put on a show. That's cool, actually, that 320 with that color.
You upgrade disconnect, man. That is super nice because it's so big.
You don't bust your knuckles on it over there on that side.
Or that key that gets stuck.
Yeah.
It's super big, rusted shunt, you can never shut it off. Battery's easy to get to. Good service, if you guys do not service, you know, the oil filter's right there. Easy to get to.
They said he's going to angle that blade, one to catch that tire, continuously angle that blade and maneuver the tractor between those barrels. Touching the barrel with any part of the tractor blade or tire is a penalty. If he moves,
Nothing like
if he taps the barrel,
tilt by 100
okay,
people.
but if he moves it from where it's GPS layout, it is a pretty heavy penalty. He has to push that tire all the way towards that 938 gray centennial machine at the end, pushing it underneath the wire, spin it around, go to our truck dump, and again push that to grade. Roll the dice at the end to decide where.
So that's a real machine, and he's operating it right here.
So they're actually using this real well. This is
So if you have
Machine is 6,300 miles away. Crazy. Look at all the live data coming in on everything. 5G connection.
the grader, go the grader.
Never heard of these guys, but they got a big booth. Zoomillion? Look at that thing. It's the Velon, Evan. I think so. Looks the exact same as them. Look at that skid steer. That's literally a Develon.
now most people airball this second one.
I remember.
Let's go. Come on.
So these are one of the other things we were really interested in looking at, tilt rotator setups. Engicon's got live demo going on pretty much all day, and we can even demo them. So we're gonna jump on and give it a try. So one of the things, another thing, GPS is one thing, and then tilt rotators are the two things. GPS, tilt rotators, two things that we're really interested in for our future as a company, because I think they're two technologies that are really lacking in our marketplace that we can have a competitive advantage over other people. So we're going to attempt to run an Engicon tilt rotator for the first time, both Evan and I. So Evan's going first. I'm going to film it for you guys. I'm in line. I'm in line. Yeah, I'm his brother. I'm just filming him. Catch the embarrassment. I'm in line technically.
You are?
Yeah. I'm just filming him.
This is wildly complicated. Really cool, but wildly complicated.
It'll take a couple of hours for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Come on, do something cool. Definitely a huge learning curve, but they are really cool. Just completely makes a machine totally capable of working on any site really easily. There is some really unique stuff at this show. Take a look at this. Take a look at this thing. I don't know why more companies aren't doing this. This is Lugong. Lugong is onto something. Take a look at this. Look at this dozer. Auto greaser.
Incredible amount of visibility.
Dude, this is the coolest thing in the world.
I can't believe
This
that.
is actually freaking
I mean, other than
the
breaking
coolest thing.
glass, this is how
This is
every
like-
dozer
this
should
is
be.
like
This is how every dozer cab should be.
D6 size, you think? Yeah. Auto greaser. This is probably, so far, day one of the show. We're kind of just trying to see everything day one and then dial in the things that are really important to us. But this dozer from Lugong is probably the most innovative thing. I'm assuming it's D6 size. The cab is unbelievable. I'm gonna jump back up there and show you the cab. The visibility is insane. Look at the visibility in this thing.